This is the Separation Master Series, a system designed to automatically depackage waste, separating contents from packaging with a simple loading process. First, let's take a look at the processing sequence. Simply feed the bagged food waste directly into the feed inlet. The contents are then discharged from the bottom of the machine, while the plastic packaging is ejected from the rear outlet. In an instant, the bags and their contents are cleanly and efficiently separated. How is such high-precision separation possible? Inside the machine, 4 impellers rotate at high speed, tearing the bags open while simultaneously breaking down the contents. The contents pass through a mesh for discharge, while the packaging is carried by an internal airflow and ejected to the rear. This proprietary design, built on years of technical expertise, ensures superior separation accuracy. The system handles a wide range of materials, from packaged goods and food waste to retort pouches, liquid foods, soiled plastics, film packaging, and even cans or bottles. Simply load them all in together. It is also capable of processing double packaged items as well as liquid or sludge-like materials. Our primary installations are in food processing plants and recycling facilities. In food plants, the system contributes to cost reduction, labor savings, waste volume reduction, and the promotion of food recycling initiatives. At recycling centers, it is used as a critical preprocessor for animal feed production, composting, and methane power generation. We also have a proven track record of installations within municipalities and commercial complexes. It is the solution of choice for many sites looking to completely automate and replace manual sorting processes. We offer a wide range of models, from small to large. Processing capacities vary widely, ranging from 1 to 16 cubic meters per hour. Specialized models are also available for the separation of cans and PET bottles. Small models are equipped with casters for easy mobility. The units can also be integrated with other equipment, such as conveyors and pumps. The Separation Master Series is manufactured at our factory in Nagano, Japan. Our fully integrated system, covering everything from design to production, ensures consistent quality and flexible customization. We provide optimized solutions tailored specifically to the needs of our customers. Our machines are used at a wide variety of sites throughout Japan. Upon request, we can arrange site visits to existing installations. Please visit our website for more information if you're considering implementation. Our facility features a dedicated testing center where performance can be verified using actual machines. We accept testing requests at any time. You're welcome to visit our site in person or simply send us your material samples for processing. Test results will be reported to you in the form of a video or report. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Drawing on our years of extensive experience, we will provide you with a reliable expert solution.